All right, everybody, welcome to RDR Sports Cards. It is Sunday, August 9th. We're here doing a personal box break of 2014 Panini National Treasures football for Vikings. There's an echo, so we need to kill this. All right, we killed the secondary audio. Thank you, Dathcha. I'm going to go ahead and break this case. This is a fresh case open. We'll go ahead and pull out the boxes, get them numbered, and then Vikings, you can pick your box that you would like to break. Okay. This is one of my favorite products to break. I mean, self-explanatory as to why it's so much fun. All right, fresh case, factory sealed. I'm going to go ahead and just flip that. Get rid of the box. We'll turn these back over this way. And then we'll just number them 1 to 4 from top to bottom. Sound good? Okay. Okay, so this is box number 1. I'm going to put a 1 here too. The marker doesn't show up very well. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. 4 and 4. All right. We'll let you pick the box that you would like to open. 2, please. Gotcha. Box number 2. I'm going to keep this one here. You can see the 2 on it. We'll get rid of 1, 3, and 4. All right, we're going to go ahead and bust this box. Good luck.
All right, good luck. Something big. Are we looking for something else?
Yeah. All right. Such a beautiful box. It's almost a shame to open it. But what's inside is so cool. Okay. Break that seal there. Too bad you don't have the sound because then you can't hear the crack. Ready? Oh, yeah. All right. There's your box.
The Breakers TV bracelet.
Empty box. All right, let's get this seal here. I'm going to grab a couple of sponges. Okay. Wait. All right. Empty, empty, empties. All right. Okay. So your first card is Nick Foles, 91 out of 99. Nick Foles.
He is a Vikings fan. Maybe he'll
Teddy, Teddy, Teddy. All right. The next card is a Legends, Brett Favre, Minnesota Vikings.
Brett Favre in a Vikings jersey.
28 out of 99.
Kismet.
Hoping to pull you a Teddy for sure. Then we've got the Legend Parallel. This is Rod Woodson for the Pittsburgh Steelers, numbered 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Legends Parallel, Rod Woodson. All right. And Joe Thomas for the Cleveland Browns, Pro Bowl Materials. This one's number 12 out of 25. And the next card is a Julius Thomas, Colossal Patch, 57 out of 99, Julius Thomas, Colossal. Next card is, oh, wow. Sorry. I just saw the next cards. This is a Terrence West. This is the NFL Gear 91 out of 99. Wait until you see the patch on this next card.
Wow.
I mean, this is amazing. Check out this patch. This is the captain's patch.
Wow.
Buffalo Bills, Fred Jackson, 1 out of 4.
Wow.
Captain's patch. That is a
Sick patch.
sick, authentic game worn captain's patch. Numbered 1 out of 4. That is sick. It's got the, I don't know if you can catch the red there. This is the red parallel. That is a beautiful card. And the next one is Kadeem Carey, 6 out of 10 NFL Gear on card auto. Kadeem Carey. We're real big on Kadeem Carey, so this is a nice card. Nice low numbered NFL Gear Kadeem Carey. The next card is Blake Bortles, 9 out of 10. Nice low numbers in this box. Blake Bortles, 9 out of 10. Jacksonville Jaguars. And next up, we have a Cody Latimer, 24 out of 49 for the Denver Broncos. I think he's going to have a big year. I think he is. Cody Latimer. And last but not least, Joe Flacco, 4 out of 10 for the Baltimore Ravens. Joe Flacco. Wow. So revisiting here the captain's patch for Fred Jackson, 1 out of 4. Beautiful patch. We got a Joe Flacco, 4 out of 10. Nice low numbered Joe Flacco.
That's on like gold ink or something.
I know. This one's got the gold. I don't know if you can see that. This one's signed with the gold pen. 24 out of 49. Then we have the Blake Bortles. Yes. The Kadeem Carey. This one, Kadeem Carey, NFL Gear, on card, rookie auto, 6 out of 10. All right, Vikings, we are going to get this sleeved and top loaded, and then we'll get this shipped out to you. Look at that, Blake Bortles, 9 out of 10. All these low numbers. It's awesome. Yes, that is a great box. You are welcome. We will get this top loaded and shipped out to you tomorrow. Thank you again.